But if you ask me, what's the worst drug? I'd say the worst drug is methamphetamine. And here's why. Every drug that you use causes a flood of dopamine. We're all hooked on the same thing. When you're an addict, we're all hooked on dopamine. It's just what we use to produce it in our brain, the particular recipe we use for our brain. What's different about methamphetamine is that the experience of using drugs and what drugs does in the brain can be compared artificially or in terms of neural response to other things that happen, like the joy of winning first place, the act of holding your child when they're born, sexual orgasm, right? It produces a joy response in human beings. We have this joy response, that sense of elation, that sense of ecstasy, that feeling of ecstasy. It's so seductive, right? Who doesn't want to feel that? And the good news is that there's no drug, or there was no drug, that was more powerful than the actual human experience. But there's good evidence to suggest right now that crystal methamphetamine may permanently impair the capacity for joy. So that if you use the drug long enough, when you stop using the drug, your ability to experience that joy from human connection and love and may be permanently impaired. And that scares me because, you think about selling your soul to the devil, and I know that's like a really sort of kitschy maybe even thing to say, but that's what it seems like to me is, drugs are like very inherently evil in a lot of ways, but that seems really insidious to me, to like actually rob a person of their ability to experience natural joy.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.